What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And ooh, man, hit me. And today, I had thought about it. I said, man, why not, man? I'm gonna let y'all go ahead and hear this thing. Not that it sound bad, but I just know it's gonna sound different. I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all hear this thing, man. I got everything moved, but I'm finna back this joker down the driveway some, man. Kind of try to put it in the shade or something, man. Maybe it's a little better right there. It's a little breeze, cause the car blocking everything. So we're gonna back it down the driveway first, and then I'm gonna crank this nag up and let y'all hear it and go over the exhaust system and all of that. So y'all just stay tuned. I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. Alright. I pulled this joker back. Still, boy, it ain't no. I was gonna pull it right there, but then it been shade and I don't know, it just would not look good, man. But let me go in here, crank the joker up. I ain't gonna prolong, y'all. Cause it get hot, it gonna cut off. Y'all see what I'm talking about? You don't supposed to do that. You don't supposed to do that. That's why I said something wrong with the tone. Sound good though. Yes, indeed. He sound good now. He sound alright. Gonna end up changing the cam shaft too. It got one in it, but it didn't kill. But I'm probably gonna end up changing the cam shaft, man. It ain't nothing too radical. I can tell by throttle response. But that's that old hydraulic roller, man. Called brown coat on rev. It ain't snappy either. This that old hydraulic roller, man. Cause brown coat ain't snappy like that either. And Dolo, yeah. Ain't nothing like that solid, boy. That solid roller, boy. But I mean, it sound good, y'all. It do sound good. I like it. I like the way it sound. And it runs good, but it's just the performance side of it. It's not there like it's supposed to be. That's why I know the tune off. Like with these engines and fuel injection, man, you can have it running right, but it'll be lacking on performing. I'm telling you, it's a lot, man. You can go in there and change some stuff, something be off, and that joker wake up, you think you got a whole new engine in your car. So it's something off with it, man. It definitely ain't got no rear end car. It ain't just it ain't got no gear behind it, like a real gear or something going on, cause it ain't snapping, man. Even with a stock engine, that thing, boy, when you hit it, it's supposed to boom, just like that. like if you dry hopping and stuff. But it's all good, cause that's why I'm telling y'all, man. I got to get it tuned, cause it's something going on with it. It'll cut off and it reads low fuel pressure. For whatever reason, I don't know if that's just the way it was wired. So that's what I'm saying. It got to be checked out, cause now me, I don't know nothing about fuel injection. I'm not gonna sit up here and lie. I keep it real with y'all. If I know something, I know something. If I don't, I don't. And I'm not educating on fuel injection or tuning to say the least, period. Not even carburetor tune. Basic stuff I can do, but when it get advanced, I don't know. You know, so I'm not gonna come in here and talk like I know. So I have to go, when you don't know how to do something, you take it to somebody smarter than you. That's what you do in life. Like even if it's something at your house or something like that, you can't do it. You call somebody that's smarter than you. That's how you get forward in life. But I don't know. It crank up on the dime and run. But like I said, when it get hot, like if I drove it up the street and came back, that joker just never make it in the cut off. And say it don't supposed to do that either. It is not supposed to do that. But we're gonna get it fixed. But it's okay, we're gonna get it fixed. And the exhaust on it, I'm gonna change the exhaust, cause it don't even have headers on it. I had noticed that. This thing here got manifolds on it still. So I'm gonna put 1 3/4 headers on it. Which it been hard as hell to get them, the ones that fit the G body. So when we gonna see it, I don't know. But for right now, I'm gonna get it tuned like it is, and then the headers probably gonna affect the tune a little bit, and I go back and get that addressed. But for right now, we're gonna have to ride with the manifold, cause the headers on so far back order, which I'm gonna go ahead and put an order in and just wait on them, cause I mean it's just what I can do. But it need headers. So I'm gonna do that. And the exhaust on it small, y'all know. I done told y'all about the exhaust. So I'm going 3-inch. I'm going 3-inch on it. The mufflers, it just got regular 40 series flow masters on it, which it does sound good. It does sound good. But y'all know with me, every time I change cars, I like to try a new muffler. So I'm probably gonna try a new muffler. I might make this one the more aggressive one. I might go back to my roots, man. I used to put 1 chambers on everything. Joker be loud. So I might go 1 chambers on this. Single chamber, super 10s though. Not 10 series. I had the 10 series, which is a traditional stainless steel looking muffler, the little small flow master. But then they got the black ones, which is like the super 44s, which is like the 40 series, but they the super 44s. They black. So you got the 1 chambers, the black 1 chamber now, the super 10s. They call them super. So I might try them on here, and that joker gonna be loud, but it won't be crazy loud, cause it ain't a whole lot of compression. And I mean, it ain't a big block. Big block got bigger tubes, bigger primaries and stuff, so that joker get loud. Cause I had 1 chambers on meats with the small block, it was loud, but when I put that big block in there, that joker turned another level loud. But that's what it is, man. Y'all heard it. Say we got 40 series. They look like 2 1/4. They might be 2 1/2. Don't get me lying. They might be 2 1/2. But they 40 series, man. We're gonna take them off. So I had some old mufflers for sale. But for right now, they'll be okay. They'll be okay, cause I ain't gonna change it until I get the headers. When I get the headers, I go ahead and have all that changed. But I am gonna go ahead and order the mufflers and just put them up. So, and if it's too loud, I don't know if I'm just talking. I don't know if I'm gonna do that, man, cause I don't like the interior noise on them muffler, man. And see, this car right here, I'm gonna be riding the family around in and stuff too. So I don't know if I'm gonna want the interior noise with them or them the 1 time. So I'm gonna crank it up again. Maybe it do supposed to do that. I don't know. I don't know, y'all. But he sound pretty good though. Pull the exhaust out the back. yeah, that's it. That is it. Y'all heard it, man. I mean, I wasn't gonna let y'all hear it because I wanted to get it tuned first. I really wasn't gonna let y'all hear it, but I was like, man, I ain't gonna do them like that. I'm gonna go ahead and let them hear it, and then they'll be able to hear the difference, and I'll be able to have it on documented too. But which I'm gonna have it documented anyway, cause I already record how it sounds. But I like y'all to be able to hear it too, cause they're part of what my channel about is documenting the progress. So if you doing stuff yourself, or you want to do to follow the same steps, then you can see, or you can see directly how the changes affect everything. So that's what it is. So yeah, man, it's another hot day, which y'all can tell if I got the straw hat on, it's hot. It's another hot day, man. So I'm finna put this joker up, man. Put everything else up, the rest of the car, and I'm going in the house, man. I'm done for the day. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.